What is the value of the length x from the given quadrilateral? Label points A, B, C, and D. Join line A, C. Substitute values and use cosine rule, so that the square of line A, C equals the sum of the square of 30 and the square of 40 minus the product of 2 and 30 times 40 times cosine 150 degrees equals the sum of 2,500 and 1,200 times the square root of 3. It implies that line A, C equals the sum of 2,500 and 1,200 times the square root of 3, which equals the product of 10 and the square root of the sum of 25 and 12 times the square root of 3. Use sine rule and let angle B, C, A equals beta. It follows that line A, C divided by sine B equals line A, B divided by sine beta. Substitute values and we obtained a new equation as shown on the screen. Take sine inverse of the equation. Beta equals the sine inverse of the product of 30 and sine 150 degrees. All divided by the product of 10 and the square root of the sum of 25 and 12 times the square root of 3. Which is approximately equals to 12.81 degrees to 2 decimal places. Hence, angle AC, D equals the sum of angle C and beta, which equals 70.19 degrees. After substitution and simplification of values. It follows that from triangle ACD, using cosine rule, the square of x equals the sum of the square of line C, D and line A, C minus the product of 2 and line C, D times line A, C times cosine 70.19 degrees. Substitute values and we have that 4,785.30256108 equals the square of x. After simplification of values. Take the square root of the equation and we obtain that x equals the square root of 4,785.30256108, which is 69.175888135 on approximation. Therefore, x equals 69.18 units to 2 decimal places.